Does the PNB MetLife Smart Platinum Pro plan provide the right foundation for your financial journey? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is an individual unit-linked non-participating savings life insurance plan, and some of the key features of the policy are: you get to pay premiums for a limited period while enjoying life insurance cover until policy maturity, and you get to secure your family's financial future with comprehensive life insurance protection. You get to enhance your fund value with fund boosters credited from the end of the 15th policy year. You also get to build a personalized investment portfolio by choosing from multiple portfolio management strategies. You can select from 8 investment funds based on your financial goals and risk appetite. You can strengthen your protection with the optional PNB MetLife linked accidental death benefit rider. You can access your investments through the systematic withdrawal facility from the 6th policy year onwards. You get to benefit from an inbuilt waiver of premium feature, which helps keep your policy active under specified conditions. So these are some of the key features of the policy. Now let us take a look at the advantages. So there is something called fund boosters, which gives you additional units are credited to your policy at the end of every policy year, starting from the end of the 15th policy year, which helps enhance your fund value. So under the wealth option, you can change the sum assured, premium amount, and the premium payment term, which are subjected to the plan's terms and conditions. Under the self-managed strategy, you can switch your investments partially or fully between the available segregated funds to align with your investment preferences. The self-managed strategy allows you to redirect future premiums to different funds without affecting your existing investments. So from the eligible policy year, you can opt for automated partial withdrawals by choosing a fixed percentage of your fund value and a preferred payout frequency. You can make additional investments through top-up premiums during the policy term to increase your investment corpus. You can enhance your financial protection by opting for additional riders such as accidental death benefit to provide extra security for your family. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are a few disadvantages as well, like there is no policy loan facility available, and there is limited liquidity as well, as there is no surrender, no partial withdrawal, or payout is permitted during the first 5 policy years, which means restricting liquidity in the initial phase of the policy. And the sum assured under the plan may not be adequately provide sufficient financial protection for your family's long-term needs as well. So compared with other several market-linked investment options, the plan may generate relatively lower returns, which could affect long-term wealth creation. So under the wealth plus option, the sum assured multiple reduces every 5 years, which results in a gradual decline in the level of the life insurance coverage over the policy term. These are some of the disadvantages that you need to keep in your mind before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic idea about the policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an internal rate of return analysis using the benefit illustration provided in the policy brochure to help us make an informed decision. So here, let us for an example purpose assume that a 40-year-old male has chosen the wealth option with a sum assured of 10 lakhs. The policy term is 40 years while premiums are payable for 10 years. The annual premium is 1 lakh and the sum assured multiple is 10 times the annual premium. So as the plan is designed for long-term wealth creation, the maturity benefit is payable at the end of the policy term. So based on the insurer's assumed gross investment return of 4 and 8% per annum, the projected outcomes are as follows. Like at 4% assumed return, the projected fund value is 23.23 lakhs and the IRR is 2.40% as per the policy's maturity calculator. At 8% assumed return, the projected fund value is 93.07 lakhs and the IRR is 6.44% as the policy's maturity calculator. So these figures are just for example purpose and they are based on assumed rate of return prescribed by the regulator. So they are neither guaranteed nor indicative of the plan's actual future performance. Even under the higher return assumption, the effective IRR remains modest when compared with long-term return potential of other equity-oriented investment options. So as this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis where we are going to compare this policy returns with other alternative investment strategies in which we are going to invest in insurance and investments separately instead of under a single policy to see whether investing separately will give us effective returns. But here, for comparison purpose, we are going to use same or similar parameters from the previous example for a much more fair comparison. For life cover, we have taken up a pure term life insurance insurance policy providing a sum assured of 10 lakhs, which costs us approximately 17,300 rupees per year for a 30-year policy term with a 10-year premium payment term. In comparison, this policy requires an annual premium of 1 lakh. So choosing a term plan will result in annual savings of 82,700 rupees, which can be invested separately based on your financial goals and risk appetite. So instead of combining insurance and investment through a ULIP, the annual savings of 82,700 rupees can be invested in either a low risk instrument such as the PPF or a market linked investment such as equity mutual fund. So here, assuming the same investment period, PPF, after adjusting the investment amount to comply with the PPF rules, including the minimum annual contribution of 500 rupees for the 15-year maturity period, the projected maturity value is 96.21 lakhs, resulting in an IRR of 6.54%. Notably, the risk return is comparable to the ULIP's 8% example, despite PPF being a debt-oriented investment. So the projected maturity value is 4.86 crores in pre-tax in equity mutual fund. After accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax maturity value is approximately 4.27 crore, translating into a post-tax IRR of 11.02%. And if you have any doubts regarding how we have calculated tax for equity mutual fund, you can see that we have presented a small tabular column for this purpose on the screen for your easy reference. So this strategy not only provides dedicated life insurance protection through a term plan, but also offers significantly higher wealth creation potential than the PNB policy. What is the final verdict then? Is investing in the PNB MetLife Smart Platinum Pro plan worth it or not? This policy offers the flexibility to invest in market-linked funds while allowing policyholders to choose from 4 plan variants with different death benefit structures. It also provides multiple fund options and portfolio management strategies to suit varying investment preferences. However, a closer evaluation indicates that the plan delivers the relatively modest return potential after accounting for its charges. At the same time, the life insurance cover offered may not be sufficient to meet a family's long-term financial protection needs. As a result, the plan may not effectively serve either objective, wealth creation, or adequate life insurance, and it also has a high agent commission. A more efficient approach is to separate insurance from investment. Purchasing a pure term life insurance policy for adequate financial protection and investing the remaining amount in suitable investment products based on your goals and risk profile can provide greater flexibility, lower cost, improved liquidity, and better long-term wealth creation potential. So before investing in any financial product, evaluate its cost, expected returns, liquidity, and suitability for your financial goals.
If you want to read more about this policy, then you can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.